so my friend Shorvi has told me that I have joined the English home spoken classes. So I thought I should also join. On that time I have joined. I think it is a half year completed or 1 year completed to take for taking my class on English home. I I like your when you teach me. I like how you teach your type, how you just teach us in funny way, and we talk. So you just tell it. We just talk, and we don't know. We are just studying. I am feeling so proud on mine that when I am joining first time, I was afraid. How was how will the mom? How will is she so scary? I think so. But when I joined the classes, I am feeling I just share with you everything that I did in a day. Uh, when I want to just very surprising, I want to tell everybody. First of all, I don't tell my mother, but I tell you first.
Really? Is it true?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh my God. Now I am feeling so blessed if this thing is happening. Oh, okay. That's really good. And what I like about you, do you know, Arvind?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
What?
I'm just telling. When you talk and when you speak, if I'm asking something, you just keep doing like this. You just keep doing like this. I have I have interrupted you so many times, but Arohi is Arohi. Arohi can't, right? Bad habits die hard. All right, it's okay. All right, now it would be there in your mind, right?
Yes.
Okay, Arohi. So, Arohi, let me know something about your best buddy. Who's your best buddy?
Well, you know already. My best buddy is Sholvi Bhaskar, and from my childhood, from my nursery class, we just joined the nursery class, and we may I thought I should make friends. So I chose this Cholvi Bhaskar, and she also chose me. And when we completed our nursery class and KG class, and on that school, only nursery and KG classes there, and we have to change our school for studying first class. We just changed the school, and when my father, my parents was searching the school, Shorty parents have told me that this is a good school, so uh, we should
Take admission.
uh,
Take admission. Take
we
admission.
take we should take admission in this school. From on that day, my parents and her parents went to the school for taking the admission, and we got the admission, but the section was not same. Now I am sorry was so feeling bad, and we just feeling bad and feeling why the section are changed. Then our parents has told us that we can also change the section by writing a note. We just write a note. I just write a note, and I came in the sorry section. After section, after that I and Sorry enjoyed a lot in same school. From first to fifth, we are just in same school.
Okay, you both are together.
Ma'am,
All right. Yes.
may I may I tell the um, may I tell the most good thing about one most good thing about Shorty?
The best thing, not most good thing, best thing about Shorty. Of course, you
Best
can.
thing
You are
about
free. Arohi, you are free to speak. Okay? Just speak up whatever you have. You can.
ma'am, uh, Shorty, best thing is that if if I or Shorty just break our friendship for some reason, after some time, Shorty came to me, give me pencil. I just give the pencil to her, and she just went to the bench, their bench. After some time, we thought we should say sorry to each other. We should say sorry to each other. And in recess, every time when we break the friendship in recess, we both came together to say the sorry to each other. When I thought I should say sorry, and she also thought think on that time I should say sorry, and I uh, uh, from first class uh, from first class in recess we came together. She is
Okay.
coming from
Tell me
here,
one
and
of okay. Tell me one of your fight. There after after fighting with her, you realized after some time that it was your mistake. It was not her mistake. Tell me about that one fight when it happened, and then you went to her and said sorry.
it also happened when one new admission student has came in our class. Her name is Shreya. She just came in our class. She is new, and everyone wants to make her friend. Make her friend. I also want, but she was saying, if you want to, if you want to be my friend, so you should tell everyone that I am your best friend. But I thought my best friend is Sorry. I one idea came in my mind in one idea came in my mind, and I wrote in one paper that Shorvi is my bad friend and Shreya is my good friend, and I I just I just get seen by the Shorvi. Saw, and she was surprised, and she just on that time she just broken our friendship. After then, Shreya came to me and that you have Shorvi has broken your friendship. So now from today onwards we are the best friend. I told yes, and she is just planning one idea in her mind.
Who?
This is
Shorvi?
uh,
Who?
Shreya.
Shreya. Okay. All right. Okay.
She just made me her best friend. She made me. She made me her best friend, and after some time, when I was her best friend, she just she just came to Sorry, and she was uh, typing about me or of from Shorvi, and Shorvi and Shreya also broken the friendship of I and Shreya. I was alone. No, none was my friend. Then I realized I I did
I
the
should.
wrong. I
I made
did the
wrong
mistake.
decision. I made wrong
I made
decision.
wrong decision. I did wrong. I should say sorry to the sorry. She's my best friend from the childhood. Then I went to the sorry's bench, and I just do the
Ups and
uh,
downs.
ups and downs and say sorry. You are the best. You was the best friend of mine. You are the best friend of mine, and you will be the best friend of mine. And I just do the ups and down, and I we just hug each other, and shall we uh, say to me, you are the best friend of me. Anyone just say anything. You are the best friend of me. I will never ever break this friendship. If you are breaking, I just not thought she has breaked our friendship. You are still in my mind. You are my best friend. You are I So on that time I realized, and now we are best friend. None can come in between our friendship.
My God, listening this, I feel like crying. What a friendship. Okay, how sweet.